Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set calendar reminder on Android. If you are using Android phone and you want to set calendar reminders, let's see how you can do this. First of all, you have to open your calendar app and here just tap on the plus icon, just tap on it. Then enter the title of your reminder as I'm going to enter, for example, this one, just enter that. And then select the emoji if you want. Just tap on the emoji icon and here select the emoji which you want, and here just select date and time, just like that. You can easily enter the location, just open the map and here just set the location, then select done. And then there's the family icon. Here's 10 minutes before you want to get the alarm before 10 minutes or 1 hour from the reminder date, so you can easily send that. And here's the video conference attachment. You can easily attach something. So after doing that, just tap on save and here it will show on your calendar just like that. Just tap on it and then tap on it again if you want to customize it. So that's how you can easily set calendar reminder on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.